Meet thinkcell Assist, AI tools built by the team that's already spent the last 20 years setting the standard for professional slide creation. And it's integrated where you work, in PowerPoint and Excel. Create charts with real data from Statista for accurate outputs on the first go. Or start in Excel, analyze your data, surface the key insights, and turn them into presentation-ready charts. These are the same professional charts trusted by all of the world's top 10 consulting firms. Easily customizable, so you can shape the narrative your way. In PowerPoint, brainstorm with thinkcell Assist Chat and apply suggestions right to the slide instantly. Then refine. You're not regenerating entire slides, hoping they'll be good enough. You're improving precisely what you want, so you're in full control. Need better titles? Assist suggests clear consulting-grade action titles. You pick what fits. Everything else stays exactly as you made it. Strong with numbers, shaky on narrative? thinkcell Assist reads your slides and writes the takeaways, formats them into bullets, and adds parallel phrasing. Need it in German for tomorrow's meeting? Done in seconds. With formatting intact, whatever your specialty, thinkcell Assist handles the rest. So every slide lands like it's your best work. That's thinkcell Assist.